Hi, my name is Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman and Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law issues here in Michigan. And today we're going to continue our video series designed to educate and inform the public, so please subscribe to our channel. The race to the courthouse is always something that people want to know about. If I'm filing divorce, should I file first? If it's custody, should I file first? Does it matter? Should I file second? Should I not want to file first? What's the rule of thumb on that? Well, I'll tell you one thing. If you've got a divorce where there is no particular assets to deal with, there's no children involved, it's a fairly simple matter, I don't think it matters who files first. It's even possible that you don't have to have both people filing at all. One person can file, one person can take the papers, it can go by default. I don't even know that it matters at all. If you've got a custody situation, it might matter. Why do I say that? Because if you've got a custody dispute, the first person to file is going to control the narrative before the court. They're going to control the narrative that is first presented to the judge. They're going to say whatever they want to say in order to get a better position regarding custody. They may say the other side's abusive. They may say the other side is a bad mother or father. They may say whatever they need to say to get the court to give them temporary custody of the child. If you're worried that your ex is going to do that, you better file beforehand and control that narrative. You better file and you better say that this is what I've done for the child. These are the good things. The child is doing fine. And that way, if they come forward and they say, well, I want custody because of ABC, the court might well say to them, if you want custody because things are so bad, why didn't you file? This guy wants custody because he cares about his kids, so he filed. You care so much, how come you didn't file? Those are difficult questions to be faced with. And if you don't want to be faced with them, it may be appropriate for you to control the narrative and file first. Even if there are children, but you're worried that if someone files first, they're going to freeze all your assets. In that case, you may want to file first and again, control the narrative. In order to freeze your assets, they're going to have to say that the other side is squandering all the money in the household. So if you think your ex is going to say that about you, you better file first, and you better get appropriate orders that actually reflect the factual situation. So is there a rule of thumb about who should file first? Not really. It's going to be very case specific. It's going to depend on the facts of your situation. Sometimes those are hard to digest, they're hard to understand, they're hard to know what makes sense given the facts. If you feel that way, of course, give us a call and we'll be glad to offer you guidance in that regard.